He's not looking up.
Left. Cane. Look. What Mom's doing.
Look up. Yeah, you're looking at your feet.
Right. Left. Cane. Right. Left. Cane. Right. Left. Cane. Right. Left.
And you're doing this by yourself, aren't you?
Cane. Yep. Right. Left. Cane. Right. Left. Cane. Right. Left. Yep. Very good pivoting, Mr. Bumpus. Okay. Cane.
Don't look at your feet.
Cane.
Don't look at your feet. Look at me.
You stabilize here.
Well,
Okay,
get ready
stabilize.
then. That's it.
You got that, look, it's showing off now. Cane.
What, rubbing his nose?
Yeah, you got to wipe his nose. Let the cane go. Cane. Right. Left. Cane. Right. Left. Cane. Right. Left. Cane. There you go. Cane. 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 Okay. Now you need to go ahead and grab the sink, and we're going to do the sideways walk back to the sink. Let go of your cane. Leave it there.